Welcome back to Crazy Days Crew. I'm Shelby.
And I'm Laura.
We're here to open another window on our advent calendar.
All right. Getting close now, guys. It's almost here. So we have 17 windows open.
18.
But now we're opening up the 18th. 17 gone. That's 7 more to go. Wow. Okay, now we're getting the dangly charm. That was just a day off. Oh, look at that one.
So pretty.
Yeah, we have a queen's crown. Bent just a little bit, but it's got a little pink jewel inside.
It's a cross. This is what a queen's crown looks like?
Yeah, it always has a cross up on top. I'll have to show you some pictures of like Queen Elizabeth's. Should I put that over with what I'm claiming, or should I be a nice mama and give it to her? Or
are you gonna want the ballerina?
I don't know. Are you?
If you want the ballerina, put that with it. Cause I don't know why that fits.
She thinks whoever gets the ballerina should also get the little crown. All right, 18 days done. 6 more to go. Well, I certainly hope you've been enjoying our journey through our fashion jewelry, charm bracelet, and necklace advent calendar. Check out the description below for some links. And be sure to like, subscribe, make a comment or two.
And come back.
And come back tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.